Okay, we're going to work on some fractions again. This is the assignment. Let me know, or not the assignment, the notes. Let me know when you're done, okay? I don't know if I'll do all these in the video. If I don't, you don't have to finish them. So we're looking for a fraction, okay? First off, count the whole thing. So just go outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the bottom. That's the whole thing. Now, mark an X on the ones that are shaded or colored. 1, 2, 3. So 3/8. Next one. Count the pieces in the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now put an X on the ones that are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4/8. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. Or no, 8 on bottom, 8 on bottom, my bad. Now, X the ones that are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/8. Okay, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's just one that's colored, so it's 1/4. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, 8. How many are colored? 1, 2. So 2/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then X ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's not colored, it doesn't count. 5, 6, 7. So that's 7/8. Almost the whole thing, but not quite. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of them are colored, so 2/4. Printer didn't show up very well here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one here is colored if you look carefully, so it's just one that's colored, so 1/8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3. So 3/4. 1, 2, 3. Only one of the pieces is colored, so 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only one of the pieces is colored, so 1/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6/8. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the whole. The part that's colored, you got 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3/6. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are colored? 1, 2. So 2/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are colored? A lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I count the whole thing for the bottom and the parts that are colored there. 16. 1, 2. There's only one that's colored, so it'd be 1/2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/6. Then finally, 1, 2, 3. How many are colored? 1, 2. So 2/3. Okay, now, then we're going to do the second thing, but now is where you're going to learn something new. Okay? I want you to do this the way we did last Friday first. Okay? Put equals 8 and start adding 4s till you're at 8. Okay, you can stop there because 4 plus 4 is 8. Then to find the top, you go 3 plus 3, and that would be 6. So these are equal. Now you can check to see if you did it right by taking the top number divided by the bottom number. Don't write that down. And then go over here and take the top divided by the bottom. If they are the same thing, then you did it right. But that takes too long on these because it's a long way from 8 to get to 72. So here's what you're going to do the short way now. You need to learn the short way, and you're going to use a multiplication table. So what you're going to do is you're going to put times and times. Now here's what you're going to do with the 8 and the 72. You go to the 8th row and stop when you get to 72. 72 is here. Now look straight up. You see 9. Okay? So again, go to the 8th row and go find 72. Now look straight up. You get to 9. 8 times 9 is 72. Don't put 9 up there. Okay? Then, if you're taking 8 times 9, you take 6 times 9. It's kind of like an equation. What you do to one part, you got to do the other. 6 times 9, 54. There you go. Now, if I don't think I did it right, I'm going to take 6 divided by 8, and then 54 divided by 72. They're the same thing. Okay, next one. Times, times. So let's look in the 5 to 35. So 5, 35, there it is. 7, don't just put a 7 there, okay? 7 is a number you times by. Because 5 times 7 is 35, and then 3 times 7 is 21. See, it just makes it quicker. So I take, to see if I check my answer, I divide 3 by 5, then I divide 21 by 35, and they're the exact same thing. So these are equivalent fractions. Okay, now sometimes you do the top, that's fine. So go to 4 and find 44. There's 4, here's 44. Look up, you see 11. So 11 and 11. So take 9 times 11, you got your answer. 99. Now to check the answer, we'll take 4 divided by 9, good, then 44 divided by 99, it's the same thing. Don't write down what the division answer is. All right, that's just checking it. Okay, 4 and 36. So 4 times what is 36? So look in the 4th row, find 30, there's 36. Look straight up, it's 9. But don't put 9 there. 9 is what you times by. So 4 times 9 is 36, and then 10 times 9 is 90. So I take 4 divided by 10, that's the value of that fraction. Hopefully 36 divided by 90 is the same value. It is. Okay, 3 and 36, so I go 3 and there's 36, I see 12. So 5 times 12 is what goes down on the bottom, 60. Now divide those, take 3 divided by 5, so that has a value of 0.6. Now take 36 divided by 60, and that's 0.6. Okay. So 5 times what's 49? So find 5, or 45, my bad. 45, so it's 9. But don't put 9 here, you take 9 times these. That's what you're timesing both numbers by, multiplying to get the second answer. Because see, 5 times 9, 45. What's 4 times 9? 36. So I take 4 divided by 5, and then I take 36 divided by 45, and that's the same thing. Okay. 2 on the back, then we'll be done. Okay, 3/20 equals 9 over what? So let's go 3 times what is not 3 times something is 9. 20 times the same thing will give me the bottom. So I go to 3. Here's 9, so it'd be 3. Okay, so we're going to take 20 times 3. 60. Now we're going to take 3 divided by 20, and then we're going to take 9 divided by 60, so those are equal. Okay, 5, 6 equals something over 30, so 6 times what's 30? That's 5, okay? Then I take 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So 5 divided by 6, don't write it down, just you need to have 20 divided by 35 be the same thing it is, okay?